Hey everybody, welcome back to Want to Step. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'll be guiding you on how you can log out of Facebook. So in order to log out from Facebook, what you can do is simply go ahead and tap on your Facebook application. Once you tap on Facebook application, you'll be appear with the home page of Facebook. Now from the appear section, go ahead and tap on the menu which is appear on the bottom right corner. Now once you tap on it, now scroll all the way down and there are many options available right there. So there is the option logout. Simply go ahead and tap on it, and once you tap on it, you'll again get the option of logout and cancel. So if you are sure that you want to log out from Facebook, then tap on logout and confirm it, and you will be successfully logged out from Facebook. So this is how easily you can log out of Facebook. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.